everyone, welcome back to Devlina's vlog. Namaskar. Welcome back. So we are here with another recipe and Sama is making a new recipe which is a Bengali recipe essentially. It's called chicken Rezala. So I'll just take you through the ingredients. So basically he is giving this expression for some time now in all my videos and our friends are mocking him for that. So he's intentionally doing it now. So he's washing the chickens and then we'll marinate it. But I'll just take you through what the ingredients are. These are all the ingredients that you'll be needing. A little bit of oil, first of all. This oil is onion oil, basically, which I fried some time back. And I kept the oil. This is one thing. And then there is green chilies. There are 2 slit green chilies, 4 Kashmiri red chilies or normal red chilies. If you're take maybe 2 or 3 or maybe 4 depending on your amount of chicken. A lot of curd, onion paste. This is like around 7 to 8 onions paste, 2 whole cups. This is garlic paste. So with garlic I have given 1 green chili over here and I have made a paste out of it. And then here is some ginger paste. And here I have kept rings of onion. So this will be used at the very last stage. So you just keep the rings like this intact. Do not cut it any further. So these are almost all the ingredients. So in the marination right now we are putting in. This is the first thing, that is the ginger garlic paste. Curd. So this is almost 1 cup of curd, and if you need extra, please utilize that. Some oil, right? I think और थोड़ा जा सकता है, 1.5 है. So we are making it with 1.5 kilos of chicken, so that's why our quantities might seem a little more to you. But of course, if you are making it with less chicken, then the quantity would be lesser for all of these ingredients.